Hello and welcome. Let's discuss what is RAG. Before that, let's see some example like just you have entered a new company for your joining and the HR invites you to give a folder to open and read the documentation to understand all its policies and sign it. And now you started opening the documents and you see it's very difficult to understand all the documents within very short span before signing it, and you would think about having a summary generated automatically. So how do you get easily understandable summary out of huge documentation? So this is what LLM can do for you, especially when enhanced with LangChain and RAG technology. RAG is nothing but retrieval augmented generation. But the question is, how do we get started with this implementation, and how long will it take to set up something like that? You ask any other AI tool builder, they will say like, we need to dive into a project that will not only help you tackle this immediate challenge but also equip you with a skill set that is becoming indispensable in this field. So the project that steps you through the fascinating world of LLMs and RAG, starting from basics of what these technologies are to build a practical application that can read and summarize documents for your daily use. By the end of the tutorial, you have a working tool capable of processing the bunch of documents on your desk, allowing you to focus on making meaningful contribution to your projects in a very short time. For that, you need to learn what is RAG. So, what is RAG? As its name suggests, it is retrieval augmented generation. It is a smart way for AI to answer questions using both memory and documents. And also, RAG is one of the most powerful applications enabled by LLM is sophisticated question answering, which is chatbots. These are applications that can answer questions about a specific source of information. These applications use a technique known as RAG, which is a technique for augmenting LLM knowledge with additional data, which can be your own data also. LLMs can reason about wide ranging topics, but their knowledge is limited to public data up to the specific point in time that they are trained upon. If you want to build AI applications that can reason about private data or data introduced after a model's cutoff date, you must augment that knowledge of the model with the specific information that it needs. The process of bringing and inserting the appropriate information into the model prompt is known as RAG. LangChain has several components that are designed to help you build Q&A applications and RAG applications more generally. So now you have a little bit understanding what RAG is, and it is to process in bringing and getting the appropriate information into a model prompt is nothing but rag. Let's discuss further in the next video. Thank you.